binary to decimal conversion. So how a binary number is converted to decimal number, we will see. Binary numbers means which are represented in terms of zeros and ones. It is represented only in the form of zeros and ones with only two numbers, and its base is 2, and decimal number is represented in 0 to 9 with base 10. So how a binary number is converted to decimal number, we will see now. So let us take an example, explain detailedly. So I am taking an example 1101. So this is a binary number. How it is converted to a decimal number, we will see. So this is base. So we can call it as a base or a radix. So a binary number is represented with power of 2 or power of the base. It's binary. So power of the base increases from 0 to n minus 1 bits. So in the example, total 4 bits are there, that is n is equals to 4, that is 4 bits are there. So power of the radix increases from 0 to n minus 1, from LSB to MSB. So I am writing the number here, binary number 1101. So this is the LSB and this is the MSB. So increases from 0, 2 power 0 to n minus 1, from right to left, that is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So n minus 1 means 0 to n minus 1, 0 to 3, increasing from right to left. The rightmost bit is called LSB and the leftmost bit is MSB. So multiply the powers of 2 with the corresponding bits, that I am doing here. So powers of 2 increases from 0 to n minus 1 and multiplying with the bits and adding. So 2 power 3 is 8 into 1 is 8, 2 power 2 is 4 into 1, 4, 2 power 1 is 2 into 0, it is 0, plus 2 power 0 is 1 into 1, 1. So adding upon all these values is equals to 13. So this is the decimal equivalent of the binary number 1101. So this is the decimal conversion of a binary number. Now we will see one more example, how a binary is converted into decimal. Here the example I am taking in terms of fractions, that means 11.101. As in decimals we are representing in terms of fractions. For binary also we can represent in terms of fraction. So how to convert this fractional part to decimal, we will see. So this is also same procedure for the non-fractional part we are doing. For the non-fractional part we are increasing the powers of 2 from 0 to n minus 1, that is n bits we will be having, that is applied for power of 2. So totally we are having non-fractional bits n is equals to 5. So from LSB to MSB powers increases from 2 power 0 to 2 power 4. Similarly for fractional part, negative powers of 2 is multiplied with the fractional part. So total we are having n is equals to 3 bits, n is equals to 3. So we will be having 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3. That will be multiplied with the corresponding fractional bits. So we will do here first for non-fractional bits, multiplying with positive powers increasing from 0 to n minus 1 with the corresponding bits. Now multiply negative powers of 2 with the fractional part bits. So 2 power 4 is 16 into 1 16, 2 power 3 is 8 into 1 8, plus 2 power 2 is 4 into 0 0, 2 power 1 is 2 into 1 2, 2 power 0 is 1 into 1 1, and 2 power minus 1 is 1 by 2, 2 power minus 2 is 1 by 4, into 0 is 0. However, something multiplied by 0 is a 0, whatever it may be. 2 power minus 3 is 1 by 8. Now add all these. 16 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 is 0.5 plus 1 by 8 is 0.125. Adding upon all these numbers, you will get 27.625. So this is the decimal equivalent of the binary value in terms of fractional part, that is 11,011.101 at fractional binary value. This is the decimal equivalent representation. Hope you understood.